Hello everyone and welcome to this particular video. So I've gotten a lot of questions where people ask me what visual dollar card can I use to make payment on my Google account in Nigeria. I've actually done a video on this, but I'm going to be elaborating more in this particular video. Alright. Hi, my name is Chaman Kandabisi, and on this channel I teach people how to quadruple their finances, scale their business. So if any of this interests you, feel free to click on the plus hand button to join the family. Alright, let's get started. Now, in this particular video, I know that majority of people are focused on visual dollar card because they feel like getting a dollar card from Nigerian banks is difficult. But the truth is, I don't know. When I went to apply for mine, it didn't take, I think it was just a week. And I went there once and it didn't even take long. I think it wasn't even up to 2 hours. Okay. So what am I trying to say? You can try to get your bank dollar card. Okay. It's not difficult. You need the papers they ask for, I think it was just whether NIMC, then proof like your bank statement proof, something like that. But I know it wasn't much. Okay, it's not difficult, it's not exhausting, no, and it's something you can do in a day. All right, so my always best go-to advice is going to get your visual dollar, not your visual dollar card, going to get your bank dollar card from the bank in Nigeria or in the current place you're staying in Nigeria. Now, however, I know that this particular video was all based on the request of visual dollar card. So in this video, I'm going to be mentioning visual dollar cards, the ones I've used, the ones I know that some of my Google Ad colleagues, Google Ad expert colleagues are also using to fund their dollar card. All right. So the first one I'm going to go with, because I made use of it, is cheaper cash. Okay. It's just that now I would still give them a good rating. I mean, before I'll give them 10 over 10, but now I'm going to give them like 8 over 10 because I've come to notice that the prices in the cheaper cash is quite high. Like the conversion rate from naira to dollar is high. Okay, it's not like the normal conversion rate price. They tend to add some money to it, and it's like a large like margin. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed it, but I've noticed it very, very well. The margin is so high that like you can know. Instead of it to say, this thing is 1.5 now, like you're seeing an extra. I don't want to start saying because I'm not here to like tell them what to do or how to do their things. Maybe they have their reasons, which is good. But cheaper cash was one visual dollar card. I'm still using it till now. Okay, cheaper cash is one visual dollar card that I would always like say it's my go-to. Like it doesn't decline no matter what. It doesn't decline, it doesn't disappoint me. Okay. And it's very fast and easy to use. So cheaper is going to be my number one go-to because I've used cheaper cash and I'm even currently using cheaper cash. I've used it for long, like I've used it going to 3 years now. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. So cheaper cash is good. Okay, is good. Now number two is going to be Bybit. Now I know Bybit does not have a visual dollar card, but this is where Bybit comes in because Bybit is like a crypto app where it's like a crypto place where you do buying and selling of crypto, right? You buy, sell your crypto in dollars or in a currency, mostly in dollars. So the reason I'm bringing Bybit into this is because cheaper cash conversion rate is quite high. Like if you go to cheaper cash right now and check what their conversion rate is saying, it's going to be higher than, there can be extra 100 naira, like extra 200, 250 to it. I don't know, but most times it is always high. It's not because every time I want to buy a dollar, I usually check conversion rate from dollar, like from naira to dollar, and always what cheaper cash shows me is like there's a lot added to that amount. So what do? I go to Bybit and I go there to buy dollar in naira. So what happens is that when I buy this dollar, I'm buying it in the Bybit market. and I'm buying the dollar with the original dollar rate price, and then it's being converted to me in dollar, but it is not converted to me in real dollar. It is converted to me as what's the name of this coin? It is converted to me as it's not BTC, but it's converted to me as a crypto coin. Now what I get to do is I go to cheaper. Okay, I go to cheaper, I copy my crypto wallet address, and then I transfer that crypto coin. Now the good news is that that same crypto coin, like one crypto coin is equals to $1. So by the time I transfer it into my crypto wallet on cheaper, I will now convert it to dollar, because one of that coin is equals to $1. So it, like, I'm already getting the same amount. So if I'm doing $400 crypto coin, that's what I'm going to be getting. What's the name of this coin again? Let me see if I can get the name. That's exactly the amount of dollar I'm going to be getting. So that's how it works. So that's how I do like my conversion. That is how I've been able to use cheaper. Because if you want to buy dollar like from cheaper directly, it can be quite expensive. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Um, I'm going to show you guys my crypto. So this is the digital dollar. So it's being converted to Polygon network. This is it. I also try to like stitch the screenshot. It is converted to Polygon network. So if you look, you see that one USDT is equals to $1, which is one US dollar tether is equals to, or crypto is equals to $1. So obviously it is the same thing. Then you convert it. That's how it works. Do you understand? That is how it works. So that is how I've actually been able to like make use of cheaper cash, to be honest. Now the third visual dollar card is gray. Now the good thing is you can do the same thing, like you can buy your crypto coin in dollar, and or you can buy your crypto coin using naira and then go to gray and do the exchange. I love that they have that. I also have a crypto wallet address on gray. Now the major reason why I focus on gray is I can use it for international transaction. Like when I get deals with foreign clients, I just send them my gray foreign account, and then boom, once they make payments, I receive it there effortlessly, easy, and it's not hard to create. Gray is very good. In fact, gray is under hype. I don't know why people are sleeping on gray, and this is not advertising. I'm just telling you, like, for real, gray is under hype. It needs to be hyped more, because I love, another thing I love about gray is their support team. They are very fast. Like if your money is taking time to process and you just chat their support team, 5 minutes they are picking it up and they are going to give you results. If it's not going to be processed immediately, they will tell you why. And then if they tell you it's going to take 24 hours, in less than 24 hours, that money is going to be chopped. So I love that about gray. So gray is going to be the third. The reason why gray is not number one is because I just recently started using gray. That's why. Okay. So I'm rating it based on like experiences, like the numbers of experience I've used it. So I just recently started using gray, and gray has been awesome. Now the fourth one I'm going to recommend is Cartonic. Though I haven't tried this myself, but I have a lot of Google Ad experts that like make use of this as well. So you can make use of Cartonic in your transaction. It is very good. It is new, but it is very good, because I have a lot of friends who have like positive reviews concerning this Cartonic visual dollar card account. Now, the good news about Cartonic is that there is no maintenance fee, or maybe it's because they're just starting out. That's why maintenance fee is either there is no maintenance fee, or the maintenance fee charge is very small, because my friend told me that she doesn't make any payment for maintain, like anything monthly maintenance fee, nothing like that. Okay. Then I noticed cheaper was doing maintenance fee monthly. That was another thing that made me leave them, because what they charge is quite high. You understand, for the maintenance. I think it's for the dollar card or something like that. But Gray doesn't charge you for anything. Your money is there, your money is there. And also, Cartonic, according to what my friend say, Now, another visual dollar card is GeekPay. GeekPay is very good. And the good news about GeekPay is you can use it for international transactions. So I have so many friends that are using it to receive payments from their foreign clients. So GeekPay is very, very good. I don't even know why I don't have a GeekPay account. I'm just that kind of person that if something is working for me, I don't see any need to like go and get another. You understand? But I have a lot of friends that are using GeekPay for a lot of things, and GeekPay is working amazingly well. Now, another one I'm going to mention for you is the PSTNET. I like to call it the PSTNet. This is specifically for advertising. Like this visual dollar card is literally for advertising, and you can use it in Nigeria. Though it is very, very new, and you see, like not much people are using it because it is very, very new and it is rare. All right, but it is good, and I love the fact that it is fast. I also love their interface, and I love the fact that they respond quickly to questions. To like if you need their attention, their customer service picks it up immediately. But like I say, I'm not that kind of person that like if something is working for me, I'll go and like if one thing is working, I'm sticking on that one thing until that one thing flops. I can move to the next one. But I'm just giving you priority so you can pick the one you want to go with and go set up your visual dollar account. Another one is Clever. I really do love Clever. Clever works fine, and you can, to some level, you can use Clever to receive foreign payment as well. So you can make use of your Clever. All you need to do is just either get a visual dollar, like apply for a visual dollar card on Clever. That's just it. Then another one again is Eversend. Eversend is very, very good. Like it is new, it is new. I think I saw that ad on LinkedIn, and I saw the reviews. A lot of people were giving it on LinkedIn, and they were like, it's so sweet, it's so lovely. So you can give Eversense a trial, because for that kind of, LinkedIn is not a platform where people just talk. And mostly the people on LinkedIn are business-based people. So those reviews, I'm very sure they use that app and they got like they were satisfied with the results. So you can give it a trial for your, funding of your Google ad account. Now the last one is Eyowo. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but it's more like EWOYO. It is also new, but it does the tax, like it gets the tax done. So you can go ahead and try out all of these apps and pick the one that best suits you the most. For me, so far, I've been sticking to Gray, and Gray has been doing amazingly well. All right. And I think the next one I would want to get is GeekPay. I really love GeekPay. I love the swiftness that Geek, GeekPay gives. And yeah, that's it. That's the one I'll be trying out next. But these are the visual dollar card that I know that if you use for your dollar spend, it is going to be accepted. All right. Google does not accept your MasterCard. Okay. Google accepts your Master Dollar card gotten from the bank. But if you don't have that, you can make use of a visual dollar card, and I have just listed them for you. Do also like this video. Also share this video to help someone out there. Share your thought on what you think about this video in the comment section, and of course, like this video and click on the plus sign button to join the family so you don't miss out. See you guys in the next one.